Hey, let's talk about what we've been doing to Larry here. Just a quick video to throw together for you guys to keep you up on track. If you're not watching the vertical lives, you probably have no idea what we've got going on with Larry. It has been about 2 weeks, and we've got quite a bit going on out here. Check it out. Tomorrow night, hopefully we can get out here and start bolting this thing back together. We are over 100 watchers. We're at 105 currently. Deadly setup. Yeah, it's lots of salt. More salt in PA than on McDonald's fries. Imperfection in this door. Right here, you can see where it was. It was pushed in right there. I got it back out because it's so simple. Air compressor. Almost with my glass. Okay. We gotta wait for this mud to harden up anyway before I can hit it with the block, start to figure out what it looks like underneath of there. This is the engine that we pulled out of the Bronco that I almost went to jail over. So there's the color it's going to be. That is dark shadow brown. I'm sorry, dark blue shadow or dark shadow blue and desert tan. And as you can tell, the desert tan is the tan that the color truck was. But the blue, of course, is going to be, like I said, a Levi blue. The light tan stripe will be, or the light tan will be where that dark is, and then the light tan will be blue. So this truck ought to look pretty good. You can check out the passenger side door that I've been working on. Had a really big dent right there that we've got worked out of it. It's sprayed with self-etching primer right now. Down here along the bottom, there was a bunch of little dents in it. Got those all worked out. Some dents up there that we got worked out. A big dent right here. And then one across the bottom over there. Yeah, I'm very happy with that door and where it's at right now. Looks pretty good. Further around the truck here, I got a little bit more to work out there. Now we gotta get these fixed. Both corners have little cracks in them. Get that all worked up around the window there. And then just keep right on working right around the corner, all the way to the other side. The truck will be sitting up on this frame. This is was a 2-wheel drive frame. It's now 4-wheel drive. It's got a 6-inch rough country lift underneath it. It's all been wire wheeled and sprayed with self-etching primer. And then after that, KJ put some magic flat black on it. I prefer a flat black frame. KJ likes them shiny. I don't know why he chose to do this one flat. I think it looks pretty good. This is the engine that will be going into Larry, 302. This is the engine that we pulled out of a 1986 Bronco. It was fuel injected, and it went into Clifford for a short while. Now it's going to go into Larry. You might ask yourself, Kendall, why are you not using the engine that was in it? It's over there on the stand. And the reason we're not using that engine is because right at the end of Larry's daily driver as a two-wheel drive, KJ said when he was starting it, the original engine was having a little bit of rod rattle. So we've opted to jump into this engine. That is a high volume Mellings oil pump that will be going into it. And we're going to get it all resealed up. KJ wants to paint it gray. There's the exhaust manifolds off of it. He has brand new exhaust manifolds up here on the bench and all the gaskets. And that will be the engine for Larry. Those of you that have seen me paint, you know that I use the Harbor Freight paint system. This is the cups that we use. The gun cleaner. I haven't never used that. We're going to try it this time. But there's $1,000 worth of paint product here on his bench right now. We use this Dynacoat base coat clear coat. This is the same stuff we used on Laney. This is a full gallon of dark shadow blue metallic. This is 3/4 of a gallon of light desert tan. We've got some Het 1705 from Grow Automotive. That is the super clean wax and grease remover. We got some high efficiency technology refinishing solvent. This is essentially going to be our wash thinner whenever we're washing the gun out. Hardener for the clear coat. One of those is a clear coat. The other two are the reducer for the base coat. And in here is just a bunch of sticks. Yeah, that was $370. That was almost $200, like 40 bucks a piece. The clear was $100 a gallon, and the reducers I think were 50 bucks a piece. So yeah, almost $1,000 worth of product. And that's what's going to turn Larry into the new truck that it's going to be. We also went to Rural King and got a whole bunch of mixing cups. So that'll work out well for that. So that's what we've been into out here. Just wanted to throw a video together for you guys. I know it's been a long time since I've done a long form video, but this is essentially what we've been doing. All right, so that's everything we've got going on Larry there. Cheryl and I are headed out of town here, so KJ's going to be on his own for a day or two, and then we'll get back at it there early next week and hopefully get this thing ready to paint and well on its way to being done before we get back to work the following week. So just wanted to jump on here real quick and share with you guys what we've been doing. If you're missing the lives, make sure you try to figure out how we get over there and come join us on the live. They've been doing really well. The channel's doing good. We're up over 4,000 subscribers. And we're grateful for everybody coming along and joining us for all that. So, all right. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you all later. Mongo Man's out. We love you guys.